Today, I'll show you how to check all devices where your Gmail account is logged in. If you want to know where your Google or Gmail account is currently signed in, Google gives you a built-in security page for that. On your Google account, the section called Your Devices shows devices where you're currently signed in or devices that had access in the last few weeks. Google says you can open this section, review each device or session, and sign out of anything you don't recognize. To begin, open your Google account on your phone, tablet, or computer. Then go to the Security section. Look for your devices and tap or click Manage All Devices. Google says this page will show devices where you're signed into your Google account, along with recent sessions from the last few weeks. Once you open that page, review the list carefully. You may see phones, tablets, computers, browsers, or sessions connected to the same account. If you tap on a device, Google will show more details about that session. You may also notice that some entries say signed out, which means they no longer have active access. Google explains that one device name can sometimes appear more than once because there may be multiple sessions under the same device. Now, if you see something unfamiliar, select that device and choose Sign Out. Google says that if the same device name appears more than once, you may need to sign out of each session to fully remove access. This is especially important if you once signed in on a shared computer, an old phone, or a browser you no longer use. There's also another useful check you can do. On a computer, Gmail has a Last Account Activity section at the bottom right of the inbox. Google says this can show your sign-in history, including dates, times, and even IP addresses used to access the account. That gives you another way to review unusual activity if something looks suspicious. So, the easiest method is simple. Open your Google account, go to Security, tap Manage All Devices, and review every device listed there. If anything does not look familiar, sign it out right away and secure the account. And that's how to check all devices where your Gmail account is logged in. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.